The grandmother of Luvo Ngqaza has asked the Kuilsriver Magistrate's Court to deny her grandson bail. The 19-year-old was arrested last week after he was filmed assaulting 82-year-old Sindiswa Ngqaza. Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi reports.
A 1-minute video that captured the nation's attention for all the wrong reasons. A 19-year-old matric pupil from Kraaifontein was seen assaulting and threatening his grandmother. While the video may have surfaced in July on social media platforms, the incident occurred in June. Luvo Ngqaza has now turned to the Kuilsriver Magistrate's Court to plead for his release on bail.
I'm currently kept at Pollsmoor, and I would like to say that it has not been pleasing to be there, although I'm kept in the hospital section. I feel uneasy to be there, and I have been finding it hard to cope in that environment. In the event that this honorable court deems that there are exceptional circumstances that permits my release on bail, I humbly request that this honorable consider the fact that I'm still a student who's still at school and I cannot afford bail. Therefore, the court should consider releasing me on warning. My release on bail will not endanger the safety of the public or any particular person and will not disturb public order or undermine public peace or security.
The grandmother was wheeled into the courtroom due to her injuries. The traumatized 82-year-old says she fears her grandson. The court also heard this was not the first time he had verbally abused her, but the first instance of physical violence. She detailed how the assault left her with injuries to her arm, head and ribs.
We fought, Your Worship. We had an argument, Your Worship, and then he said he will beat me, Your Worship. He beated me, Your Worship, and he was slapping me, Your Worship, and I ended up falling. I fell on the ground, Your Worship. I would have a problem, Your Worship, because I don't want him to be released on bail because he's going to come and help me, Your Worship. That he will come from where he's staying, Your Worship, and come and kill me, Your Worship.
The woes of the 82-year-old didn't end after the assault. She has been admitted in hospital since the 1st of this month.
Ms. Ngqaza, as we speak, she's in hospital. She told the court during her testimony that after the incident, she went to bed, and when she woke up the next day, her left side was not working. She's suffering from stroke, and she's still even in hospital today. The investigating officer has indicated that it is not in the interest of justice. It's not only for the safety of the victim, it is also for his own benefit, for his own safety, as the people in that community have indicated that if he is released on bail, they will deal with him, they will kill him.
Community members and various organizations are still outraged and are calling for justice to prevail. They see this case as an opportunity to deter violence against the elderly.
The state must protect the senior citizen unless it wants us to protect the senior citizen by force, and we are not afraid to use any means necessary. The 19-year-old just found out immediately after he was taken to the police custody that now he's suicidal. Right before that, when he was beating up his grandmother, he did not know that he's suicidal. And we are also very much concerned about some of the family members who were sitting behind us, who were in thorough support of Luvo, even insulting the grandmother in court, cursing her. And this tells us that there is more than one person who is giving bad and brutal behavior within that family when it comes to that grandmother.
The matter has been postponed until July 15th for further arguments. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi in Kuilsriver.